Did you know that only 10% of people out there can see the potential in property, in a house, in a dump, in a fixer? Only 10%. That means there's a huge opportunity for those of us that can see the potential, the goodness within. We can see it. I'm one of those people, and if you're one of those people, come along with me on this journey as I fix up this fixer-upper. Now, you have to be a special kind of crazy to undertake a fixer-upper, especially when you've been through them, hundreds of them. Now, I've only lived through a few, and that should be enough to send you running and screaming for the hills. But here's my top 3 reasons why you should consider a fixer-upper or a renovation as opposed to buying new. The first reason is the #1 rule in real estate, and that is location, location, location. When you buy a fixer, you can afford a better neighborhood. And for me personally, I wanted a house near the water in one of the most expensive zip codes on the freaking planet. I didn't know that at the time, but that was a requirement. I needed to be able to walk to the water. It's what I had in New York, and I certainly wasn't going to move to the warmest place on earth and not be able to walk to the beach. So that really limited everything available. Being a designer, I also knew that I wanted to do it myself. I wanted to make it my own, and that's the second reason. You get to make the house exactly what you want. You don't have to put up with anybody else's colors or shapes or stupid cabinets they picked. You get to do it exactly how you want to do it. And so that's number 2. And the third reason is that I can't remember. You get more for your money. Getting more for your money means that you don't pay for someone else's inconvenience to buy a house, flip it, throw some cheap cabinets in, and charge you twice as much. Around here, I've been watching this market for about a year and a half, and I've seen houses that were going for $600,000-$800,000 that got bought by investors. They threw some new cabinets in, a little bit of paint, and bam, they're selling for $899. They didn't spend $300,000 to bring that house up to code, to do all the improvements. You pay top dollar for move-in ready. So if you want move-in ready, you're gonna pay for it. If you're willing to do the work, holy crap, you can get exactly what you want. Definitely nicer finishes, and you pay half the price. And you get the satisfaction of knowing you lived through a renovation.